This is the reception. I am starting my small hotel tour. So this is the breakfast area I have covered yesterday. So this is the travel desk, tours and safaris. Yeah, some items are a bit expensive here. So just think twice before booking. So Dubai City tour is actually 60-70 dirhams, but he charged me 150 dirhams. So this is the sitting area, relaxing area. The people work on the internet, so can you work on laptops? So this BBC News always get telecast. This is also nice area to sit and relax, and that is toilets for all guests and everyone to use. And this is again, see how big is sitting and relaxing area. And this cafe is available 24/7. So they have like coffee, tea, Starbucks. So if we arrive late, this is a pub. So they also telecast IPL matches here. So they say just we have to take a drink with 50 dirhams and watch the children playing area. This is the lifts area. So beautiful 5 lifts. So they are very fast. This is the corridor close to my room, in front of my room. Excellent. So room number 202, 203, 211. My room is 205. Enjoyed 5 nights here. Excellent. It's only 45 USD per night, including breakfast. So it's 205. Just I have to use my access card to enter inside. The beautiful, excellent. So I'm almost getting ready, because my flight is at 3 o'clock. 11 o'clock I have an airport shuttle. So this is the swimming pool. This is sofa with cushions, phone, intercom. So is a TV. So we get all news channels. This is a fridge. Underneath the chair to work. Tea, coffee, complimentary tea, coffee with kettle. So this is good size bath with WC and also cubicle. So hello everyone. Now it is 10:52 AM. I have a free shuttle to airport at 11 AM from my hotel. So it is only 10-15 minutes journey. So I am just leaving my hotel, saying goodbye to my beautiful room, 205 Hampton by Hilton, Dubai Airport. Excellent. One of the best hotels in my lifts area on 2nd floor. So I have checked out from my hotel, just 2 minutes checkout, and I am leaving with same bus with same driver from Pakistan to airport. Take it. So I am going to airport. Terminal 3. ठीक है. या आप लाहौर से किधर? लाहौर बोला ना?
हम
पेशावर. सॉरी भूल गया.
पेशावर से, लेकिन कल आपने मेरे को बताया, मैं जा रहा हूँ, मैं सुबह भी आपको देकर आ जाऊँ.
हाँ.
मैं बोला मुंबई निकलेगा, लेकिन फिर मैं ये सोचा शायद वो टैक्सी भी किया है.
Emirates, you can see all Emirates flights. Excellent, beautiful Emirates. Number one in the world as far as flight entertainment is concerned, IC is concerned, and food is concerned. So Emirates and Qatar, I think they are the best. I have traveled by United, British, but I found Air India is not good, not at all good, but Emirates is good. So driver dropped me off at Terminal 3, so now I am going inside. So driver from hotel shuttles area. So free shuttle. That is my shuttle, blue color. And you can see these are departures. So how cool it is. I am just entering into departure. That is the area for buses and shuttles, taxis. You can see I came like 5 days back, same place. See the beautiful Dubai Airport, Terminal 3. Excellent. Very wide, beautiful. So I have to go to departure gates. You can see metro, VAT refund, toilets, everything. You should be careful recording videos in Dubai. Police here are very strict. So we have to always see whether we can record video here or not, and we should always avoid people. So So anyone may complain to police, and they will come and talk in Arabic. So we don't understand anything, and we can't explain what we are doing, why we are doing. So it should be very, very careful. Terminal 3 is Emirates. So this is check-in area, and that is baggage drop area. But both of them, for me, it is not required because I don't have any luggage to send, and I have already done self check-in. So I have my boarding pass with me. I can directly go to security and immigration. So this is a queue for airport check-in, and this is a queue to baggage drop. These are departure boards. You can see my flight EK 528 at 3 p.m. So in Hyderabad, gate C18. So it will take 15 minutes from here. I always like this. For departure gates A1 to A24, you have to take train. So you can see beautiful internal train. You can see B1 to B32 straight, and C1 to C50 also straight. D and F also straight. So I have just completed my security check and immigration check and proceeding to my gate this way. Escalator. So a 15 minutes walk after this escalator. You can see beautiful lifts. B gates are that side, B19 to 32, 28 to 32. So Louis Vuitton shop. My gates are this C1 to C50. Right side is A1 to 1024 DF, but mine is C18. These are all duty-free shops. Excellent. So, but I have to go this right side. I have still 3 hours time, so no need to worry. Again, I can go straight and take right for C18. All C gates. Gate C18, still it is showing like 11 minutes walk. No problem. I have 3 hours now. Finally, C gates. Straight is C1 to 23, and right is C36 to C50. So I have to go straight because my gate is 18, C18. Almost at C18, maybe 5 minutes C18, where my flight departs EK 528 at 3 p.m. So now it is 12:20. Boarding will start around 2:20 p.m. Next is a food court, different restaurants, cafes. You can see McDonald's, McCafe, but rates are very high. Fries is 15 dirham, Coke is 15 dirham. So very expensive, like 300 rupees. If I want to say in Indian rupees, it's KFC, so Tiger Beer, pub, everything is available. I just checked the Coke rate. Food Village, so even Taste of India is also available, but they are excellent. It will be expensive, sorry. You can see duty-free shops. Even they are advertising Mercedes-Benz cars. All duty-free shops close to my gate. Starbucks. Boarding has started. Now it is 2 o'clock. This is my last flight in this trip. Boeing 777 EK 528 going to Hyderabad from 3 p.m. So it will reach Hyderabad in 3 hours. Boarding the flight EK 528. Excellent. Emirates is always excellent. Boeing 777, one of the best in the industry and one of the biggest in the industry. Mine is 46, this is 26, 46, this is 40. Mine is there 46. My seat is 46K. So here.
الطيران أو إيقاف تشغيلها إلى حين إقلاع الطائرة. في حال سقوط جهازكم يرجى عدم.
Saying bye bye to Dubai airport after staying here for 5 days. Excellent experience. One of the best cities, but now it is very hot. You should come in the winter. And even the air is not clear sometimes. after 3 hours 20 minutes flight from Dubai. So now it is 8:30 p.m. in Hyderabad. So now I have to go for baggage claim, as my cabin baggage is given in the main luggage.